Hey Internet, this is one of my coding projects. This is a Python code for image to speech. It's a combination of a drag and drop image to text to speech. I will run it and show you. Alright, so this is the drag and drop app where you drag and drop the JPEG or image, and then it will have text to speech.
Subscribe to Suemon's channel.
It pronounced my name wrong, but you get the point. So let's do another example. I'm manually rerunning it. I don't have a rerun button, but that's okay. This is just to prove that it works.
Dreams. Homeless.
So this was a cropped image from a thumbnail of Stephen He, the content creator. So he's famous for the emotional damage. Now what I found is that it does not recognize symbols. I am using PyTesseract, the free OCR. I know there are better OCR libraries out there that does detect symbols. However, I am a broke engineering student, so we're using all the free libraries. So I'm sure you can probably swap out PyTesseract with something better, and same with the text to speech. I know there are actual AI voice generators instead of the robot voice. Alright, so we'll run it a third time. What I found was that if there are objects or people in the image, it doesn't function. But I think that's more of a OCR issue, so the PyTesseract not detecting the image because there are interference. So as you can see, it does not identify the words, even though the words are exactly the same. I think it's because there is a person in the image that's causing issues. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. If you enjoyed the video or you found this interesting or helpful, be sure to leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Until next time, see ya.